Hi, this is David with your PST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to add to your combo box from a text box. So first things first, we'll add a button, put that over here. We'll go ahead and add a text box, throw that right here, and we'll grab a combo box. Throw that right in between them both. I'd like to have them all pretty lined up. We'll go ahead and get rid of that default text because we won't need it. Now, run a quick test just to show you what we do have. We don't have anything in there. You type anything, you don't get anything, nothing works. Okay, that's what we expect. We're going to go ahead and click on button. And that's not necessary, I just did that, but we'll go to buttons, we'll go to the events, we'll go to a click event, we will click on it, and all we have to do, after we name it, so we'll have button, we'll have text box, and we'll have combo box. Alright, so with that, we will do combobox.items.add, and we are going to be adding the textbox.text. And it is that simple. So once you have all of that in there, you can click on start, let your program run. As you can see, we have nothing in here. Item 1. Oh, look, it shows up. Item 2. Oh, wow, that's showing too. Item 3. It's a miracle. Even that shows up. So as you can see, it is that simple. All you do is just add the code behind it to .items.add and then the name of the text box .text, and you are done. Hope this helps. Happy coding. If you like the video, click like, subscribe, check back later for more content. Goodbye.